Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy.
I'm Mark Braddock, entrepreneur, active duty soldier with a love for the outdoors. Join me as I travel the states looking for that next great adventure. This is Maleyvan Adventures.
How's it going, everybody? Braddock here with Maleyvan Adventures and Kayak Adventures 210, and this is South Carolina bass fishing. Y'all check it out. Welcome back, guys. So we are in Santee Cooper, Lake Marion in South Carolina. As you can see, there's a ton of cypress trees. So the game plan is pitch a few cypress trees. We have a jig and a creature bait. We're also going to throw a spinner bait and a square bill around these cypress trees, see what we can't find. Weather temp is mid 70s. Water temp is right now around 55, 59. It's supposed to bump up to 59 later on today. So I feel right now they're really getting into that pre-spawn. You're gonna see a lot of these fish push up into the shallows, and we'll see what we can't find. Without further ado, let's make it happen. Got it. Oh, flip. Kind of right by that little log there. All right. Hey, first bass. Here we are in Santee Cooper, Marion Lake. First fish in South Carolina. Awesome. Hey, another state to mark off the bucket list. We did Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama, Florida, South Carolina. Let's go ahead and let that guy go. Nope. Almost got me there. Almost. All right. Better look at fish here. Almost got me around this cypress tree here. All right, we're getting there. Nice South Carolina bass. Heck yeah. All right. Right on. All right. Another. All right. Been throwing that spinner bait, man. It's been that trailer hook. Increased hook sets. Down. All right. Let's get another one. Oh. hook just fell out. Yeah, buddy. Personal best here at South Carolina. Maybe not personal best, but South Carolina it is. Ah, damn. Look at that girl. Ooh. That's what we came to South Carolina for, right there. Oh. And this was about the same type of bite, same area too as that first hit that we got and we lost there in the trees. Man, awesome. Super, super cool. Only in South Carolina. Love it. All right, let's let this big girl go. South Carolina. Gotta love it. Hell yeah. Got another pig. Ain't that bad. She kind of fought like she was a 5-pounder. All right, all right. Man, we are hooking up today. Shoot, South Carolina. Doing me well. Wilson, South Carolina. All right, cool little souvenir. That's big. That's big. Not that much of a big one, but it'll do. Yeah, buddy. Man, killing it out here, dude. Heck yeah. Whew. South Carolina. So let's talk gear. We have been throwing pretty much all day the spinnerbait. That has been doing the trick. This is a 1/2 ounce Booyah spinnerbait, orange head, gold blade, trailer hook with a white and chartreuse skirt, and that has honestly been doing the trick out here. Water clarity, I mean, it's pretty dirty out here. 6 inches visibility or so. I've been fishing mostly around 2, no more than 3 feet, but this spinnerbait has just been doing the trick, throwing around lay downs, throwing around cypress trees. I've been getting hooked up quite a bit on this guy. Our line, we're throwing a 6-foot 17-pound fluorocarbon leader to 50-pound braid, and then we have an Alberto knot in between the braid and the fluorocarbon, and that has been doing the trick. Now, reel, I like throwing a spinnerbait on a lower gear ratio reel, anything from like 6-4 to 1. That's kind of like my gold standard for spinnerbaits. However, in this case, I really wanted a shorter rod, so we're throwing a 7-3 to 1 on a 6-10 rod, and this is the Lose Speed Stick Xfinity. But having that shorter rod is just crucial when making accurate casts in a kayak. We're low to the ground, you're trying to make a roll cast, so having something that's really short is going to benefit you in the long run. It's going to allow you to get those accurate casts in between cypress trees, along lay downs, and so it just works. So don't be afraid to go with a shorter rod, especially if you're fishing out of a kayak. Well guys, that about wraps it up for today's episode. We had an awesome time down here in South Carolina. Had our first fish in a brand new state. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe down below. From here, we're gonna be headed further up the East Coast, seeing what other areas we can fish, a few mountains we can climb, and the main goal, the dream, is Alaska. So y'all make sure to stay tuned for that. I'm Braddock from Maleyvan and Kayak Adventures 2.0, and we'll see you down the road.